What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. Can you never find the hex tool that you need? Well, I always have a problem with that, especially when they're loose Allen keys, but I found this, and it's a folding hex key. Look at this. Not only that, but it says 2 pieces there, and that's kind of important because what you might be able to see here is we have a metric and a standard. Imperial, I don't know, they call it that sometimes. KSEIBI. Look at it. KSEIBI makes a lot of tools. Hey, here are the 2 hex key tools, and you can see you won't lose them because they are all set up together like in a switchblade portable tool. Now I will say it's kind of interesting. Hard plastic here on the orange, a little softer rubberized, textured, so you should be able to get a good grip. Slightly contoured there in the middle. You can see we have tools angled on both sides. Now these are in there pretty tight, and these are kind of flopping around a little bit. But let's just start with this one because this one seems to be the way it's supposed to be. And what you can see here is that there's this little switch right here, and that is for pushing the tools out, right? It's just a little flipper right there. And so if I push that up, what it does is it kind of gives me some angle on this. You can see there's a little bit of a channel there and a little bit in there, but one of the things that you might recall if you've ever used these is it can be a little hard to get in there. So again, just a little bit of assistance there. You can get your finger under there so you're not using your nails. I guess they are pretty loose, so this isn't a problem. But if it's sticky, boom, I can get it in there. It's kind of unique. I've never seen this switcher here on any of these tools before, and so that's why I picked this up. I also needed a set of metric and standard hex keys, but I was pretty excited about this little switch. Maybe a bit of a gimmick, but it does work. Hey, if you want to pick this up, this was actually a pretty inexpensive set too. I think 11 bucks for the pair. So it's just kind of nice to have them around. I'll put a link to them in the description. Peter von Panda, out.